What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Dogecoin update. First of all, I hope you're all doing great. But second of all, I also wanted to ask you whether I should maybe do these daily Dogecoin updates. All right, I'm thinking about it. I mean, I like covering Dogecoin a lot. I actually like Dogecoin quite a lot. I mean, I've been talking about that. I've been talking about a very bullish Dogecoin for a long time. I mean, even when we were down here, I think at some point of time when retail comes back, Dogecoin is going to be an easy 5x, all right? So that obviously is very interesting. So I might be able to do some sort of a daily or once every 2 days, once every other day update on Dogecoin. Let me know if you'd like to see that, all right? But for now, let's get right into it. So what we talked about yesterday, unfortunately, has happened. It looks like this breakout right here above the main resistance level between 20 and 19 cents was a bit of a fake out. Now, I think ultimately, even though this happened over the course of the weekend, because Friday was a non-trading day in the US, I do think this breakout would have held if Bitcoin was a bit more bullish. Because ultimately, the one thing that Dogecoin needs for a sustained bull run, like if Elon says anything about Dogecoin, it will rally. But if we want a sustained bull run, we also need a bullish meme sector. We need a bullish Bitcoin to get retail in, etc. So I do think it could have held, but with these circumstances, it just didn't. So right now we are technically actually bearish, all right, because we've had a significant bearish breakout. The EMAs right here are kind of switching. We're not really respecting the 100 EMA right here. Now, what I want to start off with is the ideal scenario from here, all right, so the positive scenario, and that is that Bitcoin, which is gaining some momentum right now, but that's that Bitcoin recovers a bit here. And that Dogecoin is able to break above, well, the main support level is actually 0.197, so 19.7 cents. And that we break back above that. And that this is another fake out. All right. That would be the most bullish scenario. And I think that's a possibility. I just don't think that when Bitcoin is like this, I mean, Bitcoin could be bullish today, but that doesn't make it bullish all of a sudden. So even though I do think this is a possibility, I don't think it's most likely. I think it's something you need to keep your eyes on. If for some reason we break above 19.7 and Bitcoin looks good, we can get a move up to 22.5 cents. And then if Bitcoin keeps looking good, then we can also rally up to 25 cents and then Dogecoin is bullish. So that's for sure a possibility. The thing though is that it's not most likely, all right? Like I said, Bitcoin right now looks fine. But there's no real buying going on. The open interest is not doing much. And then if we look at Dogecoin, which technically is actually quite bearish on the short term, there's definitely no momentum coming in for Dogecoin. So that's why I'm telling you it's a possibility, but it's definitely not most likely. It's much more likely that today we will pull up to that level, but that we will not break above that we'll respect it, reject off of it, and start to drop down lower towards 16 cents, that kind of area, and then 15 cents. That's still what I think is most likely. All right. So if anything changes, if there's anything you need to know, I'll keep you updated. If you're interested in those daily updates, let me know and I'll try to do those as well. At least if there's somewhat something to say, which is not always the case. But let me know about that. But ultimately, at this point of time, that's what I think is most likely. All right. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.